Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You need admin access and the right permissions. Once you confirm that, go to your Shopify admin and open the apps page. First, decide whether you're installing a public app from the App Store or a custom/private app you built. If it's custom, make sure you have API credentials and the app's install link ready. Click Customize or Develop Apps when required, then choose Install App or Create App and follow the on-screen prompts to start the connection process. Once you start installation, read the permission list carefully because those scopes determine what data the app can access and why. Grant only necessary scopes. You can adjust settings later. After installation, configure channels like Storefront, POS, or Admin, set billing if the app charges monthly or per transaction, and enable webhooks or API callbacks required for real-time updates. Make sure to test the app on a development theme or a duplicate store to validate behavior before pushing changes to your live storefront. Finish by verifying both the front end and back end. Confirm UI changes, order flows, and that data rights appear in Shopify and the app dashboard. Monitor API call counts and logs for errors. If something breaks, check Shopify status and app logs to isolate the issue. If the app misbehaves, temporarily disable features or uninstall to roll back safely, then reconfigure and reinstall. One key troubleshooting tip: reproduce the issue on a duplicate store and capture logs before contacting support or making permanent changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.